Wow.
Oh my god. Just going straight through the hands. But I want to try just a. I'm gonna hope that this is gonna be like watertight enough.
I understand, yeah.
So just a little bit of.
Making a well.
Yeah. Oh my god.
What?
He's developed his own.
Oh, I don't know how I'm going to get to it. I didn't quite think it through. Oh no. Oh no.
This is like an odd technique you've gone for.
Yeah, I know. I don't know what I was thinking. Right, that'll do.
Feels very dry.
Yeah, it's not bad actually. Tastes alright. Oh my gosh.
He does. How do you feel?
It's I don't know. It's like a bit sticky. I didn't think it was too hot actually. I think it was just warm when it got around here.